Hey guys, it is a beautiful day and I am back at my buddy's place over on Main Street in small town USA. This place has a population of, gosh, I would say 4. And it was established right before the turn of the century. So finding some old stuff. And this is solid tone I just got, and we got ourselves a wheat penny. Thought we would check it out together. See what year, probably in the 40s I'm guessing. But let's see. You guys can see that or not. It looks like, oh no, much older. I got a 1915D. So that is awesome. That might be one I don't even have yet on my book. So happy to have it. I'm going to keep going, see what else I can find, and we'll be back at the next hole. Well, this is kind of interesting. This is one of those old political buttons, I think. And what I wouldn't give to know what it used to say. It's totally obliterated. I'm going to keep going, see what else I can find. We'll be back at the next hole. This was another clear tone, and looks like this time I got a wheat penny, the 1940 or 1946, and I think that might even be an estimate mark. I have to look at that closer when I get home. But I'm happy to have it. I'm going to keep going. Even if I spend the day picking pennies, it's a beautiful day to be out. So stay tuned, and I'll be back with you as soon as I find something else to share. This is toning beautifully, like it could be a quarter, but it's even better. I got myself a little sheriff's badge, and it's in beautiful condition. It's very heavy, and it says Marshall on it. Whoa! So that is very cool. I am happy to have that. I'm going to keep on looking, see what else I can find. Be back in the next hole. I was about to cover the hole, and I still had a tone in there, and right next to the Marshall's badge, I got a little token. So it's good for 25 cents in trade. Sorry for the wind today. I'm going to keep on going, see what else I can find. Okay, this was a really iffy signal. I didn't think I'd get much out of it, maybe a penny. But I'm seeing a rim, and it's readed, so I'm hoping this is good. Oh yeah, this is looking really good. I am amazed that such an iffy signal would result in a half. It looks like it is a walking Liberty half. And let's get this cleaned up and see what it's about. This is awesome. It's cleaned up here. Oh yeah, this is beautiful. Let's see. Looks like it is a 1940 walking Liberty half. That is awesome. And see if we can get a mint mark off the back. The funny thing is, this is the area we were detecting the other day, and my husband was finding dimes over here. I found like 3 silver dimes, but somehow this one managed to elude him. So that is absolutely beautiful. I'm going to clean it up a little better off camera, and I'll show it at the end. Okay, this is amazing. This was my original hole, and I'm still getting a really tinny 75 signal. So I went ahead and dug right next to it, and it looks like I got a second one in the hole. So this one's a quarter, and it is a Washington quarter. Why this would be bring in a tinny 75, I have no idea, but I'll take it. This is awesome. I'm going to clean this up, see if we can get a year off this as well. And I think this qualifies as coin spill, so that is awesome. Looks like 1945. So I think these were dropped at the same time. And I am going to keep on checking this hole, make sure there's nothing else I'm leaving behind. And keep on going. Be back with you at the next hole. And I still had a signal in the hole. And I had a nickel in there too, a 1946. So it's not a war nickel, just a regular one. But I'm going to keep on going, see if there's anything else I have in this hole. It's telling me kind of an iffy signal, but it's a good one. It is a pocket watch, I'm sorry, it is a pocket knife, and probably had wood sides because they're totally melted away, but the base is still good. I don't know, kind of cool. I'm going to keep on looking. Back with you soon. Okay, this was kind of funny. There was already a plug dug here. I don't know if this was one of the silver dimes Eric found yesterday or what, because the plugs were neatly buried. Right next to it, I was still getting a signal, and it looks like I got a silver in the hole. Let's see if I can get this here. This is awesome. Nothing like finding a mercury you missed. And it looks like it is a 1941. Beautiful condition. Happy to have it. I'm going to keep on going. Be back with you at the next hole. Okay, I was still getting a tone by the hole, and I have 2 more coins. Getting a dime and a nickel. And it's not a war nickel, but I'm guessing it's older. And it looks like I have a silver dime. So let's clean this one up. See what else I got here. This is really funny because this really was right next to a hole that was already here. So it's a coin spill. Somebody just missed the rest of it. So anyway, let's okay, looks like we got a Roosevelt this time. And it's a 1957. It's nickel. Nickels are a little harder to clean. I might have to brush that one off when we get home, but going to bet it's in the same genre. So anyway, 3 coins in a hole. Awesome. Gonna keep on going. Be back with you when I have something to share. Today was a very productive day. I got a lot of really cool stuff. I love this Marshall badge. That is actually really cool. And got a bottle opener, garter clip. Got a couple of tokens. This one I saw it said good for, but I'm not sure. I think it's good for 5 cents, but it's too chewed up to see what it's about. And then this other one is actually in good shape, and it says 50-100 on the back. So I'm not sure what that was for. My favorite find today was, of course, my Walking Liberty half. Haven't gotten one of those in a long time. And yeah, this is kind of a cool day. Got 3 nickels. None of them were buffaloes. None of them were war nickels. But it's always good to find a nickel anyway. And yeah, I found this piece of a pocket watch, garter clip, some pennies. That was about it. I had a really fun day, and I'm hoping to get out here again soon. Thanks for joining me, and if you like what you see and you'd like to see more from me, please hit the like and subscribe button. And other than that, stay safe, digging out. Starting to lose daylight, and I want to get home if I'm still like an hour away. I got an 82 at 2 to 4, and look at that, flipped it up and I got a little silver rim. So that's pretty cool. Let's see what I got this time. Looks like I got a Merc. So that's pretty cool. Guys, check this out. I found a grass frog. That's got a yellow sign. He's right here. You guys can see him or not. Let's see. There he is. That is awesome. Hey, little frog.
1, 2, 3, 4.